So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start this particular file here, errors, the catalog, just to give you an example. So we can see straight away, says this document contains links to sources that have been missing or modified. So we could update all modified links, or we could choose don't update links. Now let's say we just want to update the links. If we went this route, then we'd have to manually update them. But for now, let's just look at sorting out the other problems that we're going to have. So I'm just going to choose update modified links. So you can see here we've got our missing font. And with missing fonts, it may be a font that you can get from Adobe Creative Cloud, or might be a font that you've downloaded from somewhere else. So I know in this particular case, this is a Google font. So if I go to Adobe Creative Cloud, I won't find this font. So I'm not going to replace the font. I'm actually going to get this font and reinstall it. So I'm just going to choose skip here now. And so we can see the links here. One missing link. We've got the owl PNG and text. We've got the missing font, and that was a message that we saw. So at the moment we've got 3 errors, but this is not the font that I want in the document. This is just one that Adobe InDesign has just put there as a placeholder, just to remind me there should be a font here, but it's not this font. And obviously an obvious indication of that, it's got this pink around here, which is just reminding me that there's a problem here. And also the missing owl here, it's a AI owl PNG. It's this one here. So it's obviously got an issue with this owl. It can't find a direct link to this picture of an owl. But let's sort out the font first. Right, so I go to Google. You can see I've typed in Google font, and you can see it's fonts.google.com, so it's this one. So I click on this link, and I can just type in here the font that I'm looking for. I copied and pasted it earlier, so I can just paste it in. And this is the missing font. So I'm just going to click on that, and I just choose Get Font. I'm going to download the font. So now I'll go to Downloads, and this is the font that we've downloaded. And just here's the project file. So this is a folder that I carry around with me with all, let's just open it. So I've got my fonts, images, and text. I'd have all of this stuff in there. And I would just copy that font into this folder. So when I take this whole folder around, I've got the font in there. So that's best practice. But I'm just going to demonstrate what I'm going to do with this font that I've just downloaded. I'm just going to double click it. And so I've got the folder there. Then the next thing I need to do, I need to go to Applications. And I need to find the font book. So this is the font book here. So you can see here, this app here is the font book. And once I find that, I just double click it. So I've got my font book here. So now I go to My Fonts. Then I need to go to Downloads. And this is a font that I extracted. So I just grab this font folder and I drop it into My Fonts. I can see the font is now inside of My Fonts in the font book. So once I've done that, you can see the font has been updated in InDesign, and now I've got that font. So that error there has gone.